Question number 8 says that Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 hours. Weber finished coloring the same picture in 3/4 hour. Who worked longer and by what fraction was it longer? So we'll write the total time taken by Michael was 7/12 hour as given in the question. Then the time taken by Weber was 3/4 hour. What we have to do is we have to compare these two times and find out who worked longer. So we'll be comparing the two fractions, that is 7/12 and 3/4. But what we can see is that these two are unlike fractions because the denominators for both of these is different. So we'll have to make the denominators same, or what we have to do is we have to make these fractions like so that we can compare them. To compare, we can multiply the numerator and the denominator of the second fraction with 3 so that the denominator comes as 12 and we'll get it as 9/12. So now that the denominators are same for both the fractions, we can easily compare the numerators and find out who worked longer. So as 9 is greater than 7, we can say that Weber worked longer than Michael because 9/12 will be greater than 7/12. 9/12 was the time taken by Weber and 7/12 was the time taken by Michael. Now what we have to do is to find the difference, that by what fraction was it longer. So we'll do 9/12 minus 7/12. The denominators are same, so we just directly find the difference of the numerators, and that is 2/12. Simplifying it, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. We get the answer as 1/6 hours or hour longer. And this is how we solve this question.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.